Matt Day here with Parsons Graham and Day. I want to take a second to talk about an issue regarding contact with your attorney's office. You know, the funny thing in practice is that sometimes we have clients who will actually just disappear and stop having contact and then reappear months later with questions about how their case is going. Whether you're one of those individuals who just doesn't need all of the attention or someone who needs fairly regular contact, that's okay. Determining the right amount of contact with your attorney is obviously a person-by-person issue and a case-by-case issue. Sometimes there are cases that need frequent contact, sometimes even daily, depending on how much litigation is going on. There are other types of cases that require virtually no contact beyond the initial consultation and gathering that initial bit of information. That's okay too. Whatever type of person you are, or whatever your case may need, you need to remember a couple of things. Number one is most attorneys or staff are not going to be bothered by having a client call to ask questions, seeking information. After all, one of the biggest things that we do as attorneys is to advise and offer opinions based off of the facts and the law. And we can't do that unless we speak to you. Number two is that attorneys want you to know what's going on in your case so that you can assist in furthering your case and coming to resolution on it. So, for instance, if there's an estate plan to be had and we need to figure out which heir is going to get what item, we can't do that without contact with you. If there's a custody case going on and we need to determine what the visitation schedule is going to be, we really can't do that unless we know what your schedule is, what your preferred visitation schedule is, and any other items that may play or have an impact on visitation. If you're the type of person who needs frequent contact, don't feel bad. If you're the type of person who can go months without speaking to their attorney, don't feel bad. Evaluate your needs and have an open and frank conversation with your attorney. If you find yourself in a legal situation in which you need advice or counsel, give us a call today at 918-307-1529. For more information about Parsons Graham and Day, visit www.pdtulsalaw.com.
The purpose of this video is to be informative and not to provide legal advice. For legal advice, call a law firm and speak to an attorney about your particular case. None of the information provided in here is meant to establish the attorney-client relationship between Parsons Graham and Day and anyone watching this video.